Alright, hello everybody. Welcome back to another session of layout in Unreal Engine. Let me see what we got. Oh, I missed my my little mask. That's why. That's cause I was rearranging my desktop and I placed two images into a folder, and now we are back. Awesome. We got the little circle, everything's good. Alright, so let's start with layout. So layout is the process of laying very quick boxes just to get an idea of what's going to happen in the environment, just to have a better understanding of what where things could go and how they will look like. So yeah, it's time to continue with this area right here. Let's see what we got. Perfect. Okay, so here we have an arena. Little box. Here we have the market. Okay. Okay, looks like Ryu did some work in here. Very funny looking rocks. Okay. All right, so here's where this is going to be like a storage area. So I think that maybe we can close this area around here. Somewhere around there. Just so it's more secure. And here I want to start working on some storage. Okay, so I think that the first thing to do is to open the PureRef. And here okay, I cannot find the file because again I was moving stuff around my desktop. Let me just find it super quick. there you go. Let's push it back to desktop. And now I should be able to load it. Okay. Alright, so here we got some interesting stuff. Okay, let me see if I remember how to use this. Yep. So we have big walls protecting the little the inside town. So the idea here is to do something interesting, like I really like those buildings right here. Those are pretty cool. Yeah, I'm wondering, maybe something like this. Okay. Needs to be like some kind of like structure. In the center. Each of those cubes is 1 meter, so let's push this to 1. Maybe this is centimeters, so maybe 100. Okay. Let's try to snap it. There you go. Now it snaps every 100. Okay. The pivot point is not exactly on the where I would like it to be. But it's totally fine. Right there. All right, cool. So here is going to be gonna have like this protected area here. I would like to have my pure ref somewhere around. So I can see, not in there, maybe on my other screen. Okay, cool. So I would like to have some kind of entrance to this building. Okay, we need a character model to see some scale. Okay, then I would like to have some kind of some stairs just to check on the scale again. Oh, I'm moving everything on pure rev. Okay, nice. Okay, getting more mouse cable. Alright, let's drop it around here, and here I would like to make it like this. Okay, then I would like to go here, control B to browse and D to duplicate. Control okay, there you go. This one. What? Yeah, this source control is a little laggy. Control B, Control D. Give me a duplicate. Okay, now I can replace this one here. Okay, now I should be able to go to modeling tools, push this one. Oh, I see. Okay, right there without modifying the other ones. Okay, this one we don't need. Okay, I duplicated. Okay, multiple times. I see the problem now. Again, this one, Control B and Control D, then replace the original. Come here, Okay, and now this one we don't need to duplicate because we are using a new cool. Now we have this we are using this kind of making this kind of stairs and nice. Okay, so what we're going to do is I want to find some kind of very cool pillars which I had somewhere around here. Let me see. Ding, 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 ding. Dun, 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 dun. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, these images I'm trying to download, so I don't need to go to the Discord and just find them. Oh yeah, we got some very cool buildings that I'll try to build. Kind of want to build stuff today. Damn it! I thought I was getting out of this flu. Okay, no, we need to go down a little bit. It's around here. I'm gonna find very cool pillars to add to this building. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think this is not exactly what I had in mind, but I think I can get inspired. So it's something like that. Okay, let's see. If I come here. Okay, let's see. What happens if I grab this one? Make it something like that. How tall should this be? That's a good question. I don't know. Something like that. Okay. The same trick, duplicate and browse and duplicate to change it. Right there. Now we can align a little bit, align it a little bit like this. Okay. Okay, let's see how can we make this a little bit more interesting. This is not the time to add like details or anything, but it's kind of cool to experiment with some interesting shapes. Between something more futuristic. This is not this is not a medieval game per se. This is going to be more of a the idea is to do Rome in the future. It's Ryu can explain the concept better, but it's pretty interesting. It's like yeah, he has this way of explaining this, which is pretty interesting. So we are going to have some futuristic stuff going on. Let me see if I can add some loops right there, something around those lines. Let's select those faces, and what if we come here, group. Now it starts looking a little bit more interesting. Too sharp. That's kind of cool. Those shapes are kind of nice. Wow, never thought of this before. We have like two boxes coming into each other, but creates this very interesting shape right here. That's kind of cool. So before doing anything crazy, might as well just duplicate this. Keep an original. Keep one here as the original, right? Again, go Control B, Control D. There should be a shortcut for this, like Control B to browse, Control D to duplicate. Alright, that way we know we are not messing the original. Poly edit. Let's modify this one. Where are the divisions I made? The edge loops. Okay. This is 70, 71, 69, and 68. I lost the edge loops. Okay, cool. Maybe I went with Control C and got rid of them. Okay, let's go. Model insert edge loop. Was it? Yeah, right there. And the other one was right here, I guess. Okay, let's go accept. Nice. Save this. Okay, here I wanna go. Oh yeah, we can play with the also with just the vertices, but I want to play with the faces. Okay, so come here and aha. That's very cool stuff. We can go the opposite way. Just do it like that. That's some interesting stuff. I would like just to create more variation. Okay, let's push this here. Let's go Control D. Push it around. And then do the same. Control D, Control D. Replace. Control B, Control D. And replace it. Nice. So let's actually see how it looks. They share pivot points, so it's nice to snap them together by copying the location. So we got variation 1, which is boring. Let's go to variation number 2, which I would like it to be cool. Let's push this a little bit more into the ground. Oh, Ryu just went live on Twitch. It's funny because we are working on the same game together. It's his game, but I'm helping him with level design and environment art if we get later into that. Jesus, this throat. So we are both streaming the whole process. Okay, cool. We got one pillar right there. Okay, let me bring my. I got this medicine for the throat. Okay, so we got one variation right there. Let's see if we can do something more interesting here. Okay, so I want to try something different, like this. Too thin. Cool. Let's make it. It's like the opposite. So there's not much variation, just it's like a flip. Okay, let's see if we can actually add more detail. Okay. Okay, maybe this can go like that. Oops, just the vertices like this. Looks kind of cool. That looks kind of cool. I like that. Let's push the face up. Whenever you get this stretching on the UVs, you can go UV, project UVs, box, and reset. Tick, you get little squares. Alright, so we have that. Let's add a little bit more detail. Maybe like this. What happens if I can push this out, but I want to push it to the other side? Let's do the same. Starts looking more interesting. Something like this. Those little squares right there look pretty cool. That's a cool looking pillar. Let's do the quick UVs. Just box and reset. Hey Mikey, how are you? Um, Today I'm working on a Roman. It's like a kind of a harbor area in this game. Is going to be like a gladiator game in Rome, but it's a futuristic version of Rome. So this harbor area is where the whole island is going to get. Oh, let me see. Do I have this desktop audio? Okay. So in this harbor area is where the island is going to get all the resources and stuff, and I'm building just the layout to get a better idea of the environment, and the area that I'm working on right now, it's going to be the storage area, so it needs to be protected and very safe. Here I'm building these pillars and stuff, and here's going to be like a little door and a lot of like storage around. Here's going to be like an arena, and here's going to be like an upper villa kind of stuff. And here's like some kind of like ramp where things are going to go up, like the resources for the island. So yeah, this is a pretty just starting with this layout. Yeah, the project already has like yeah, it's pretty cool. There's actually like already enemies and like mechanics and everything, but I'm focused on the layout, so we can start like actually building the environment. My other friend Ryu, it's the owner of the project. He's doing all the other stuff with some other people who are helping with programming and stuff. Hopefully on August we should be able to have a demo for people to try it out. So yeah, pretty excited. Alright, let's see if we can do a bevel on this. Let's go to model bevel. Was it on polyedit? bevel. Okay, maybe nice. A film about what? Let's try this bevel. Maybe edges. Oh, there you go. Nice. All right. Got some bevels going. Need to be very careful with the amount of beveling. I think one is pretty good. Let's keep it at one. Super nice. Let's do the same here. Select all the edges, then go edge bevel and one. That will give us that little bevel, which will be super nice because now it's not super sharp and it looks much nicer. Great. Okay, that's pretty cool. Now we can merge those two. Going to mesh. Xform merge. And now we have one pillar. Nice. Okay, cool. Let's see, I got some reference here. Oh yeah, modeling, it's super powerful, like for blocking out and stuff. It's super cool stuff. Layout, block out, it's very nice. You can get like a lot of the main idea. Just to make sure if it how it looks with the lighting and the character size and in relation to everything else. Pretty nice. And then you can push this to Blender or other 3D app. I want to break this wall. Let's actually break this wall. Okay. Okay, I would like to get a new instance of this wall. So let's go Control B, Control D to duplicate.
I need to learn to push Blender to Unreal still.
Yeah, Blender it's very cool stuff for sure. It's just a matter of scale. You need to see what the conversion is, and that's it. every program has its own units, so maybe you can set up Blender to Unreal Engine units, which is centimeters. So once you have those two set up, you can just export things and it will look the same on both. um, Topology, it's a little different. Sometimes the topology you get from the Unreal Engine modeling tools, especially from booleans, it's not the greatest. Where is this? Okay, let's actually push this face a little bit up here. Something like that. Then I would like to open this up. So to do that, I'm going to create a little box like this, and I'm going to go push it like that, and we're going to do a boolean, maybe distal, something around here. Yeah, it doesn't. I'm being too. Oh, that's a very thick wall. Maybe we don't need such a thick wall. Yeah. So once it goes through, we can select the wall and then the door, go boolean, and we can cut it up. Something like that. I believe we need to make it wider. So let's go here and go like push this around here. Maybe, yeah, just I think this line is going to be nice.
You can't see the synopsis of my film I linked.
Of the film I linked, on Discord, you mean? Or where did you link it? On the chat?
I shared the Kickstarter link in chat above.
I don't think I get links on chat. I think the YouTube might not let you share links, but there's I have a Discord channel there. You can share your work and stuff. So if you want, you can share it there, and I will take a look for sure. I think that's nicer door.
Okay, here. An animation that explores the evil absurdities of corporate culture through media ethics, demonic influence, and a sprinkle of satire.
That's nice. What style are you going for?
Storage area on YT87.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I would like to see for sure. Let's see.
Anime.
Nice. Pretty cool stuff. Okay. So here I want to get some kind of roof for this thing. Let's see if I have something here. Let's see where those buildings come from. Maybe I do have something. Okay, I want some kind of roof that goes down. Let's see if I can destroy one of those buildings and reuse it. Yep, I want this piece right here. So, I see. Let's see how can I get that piece. Okay, maybe this piece is what I need. This is going to be easier to work with. So let's go and go poly edit. Split. From static mesh. Let's see if I get those pieces, so I can get the roof and just duplicate it. Takes a little bit to split. Okay, we got it. So we can delete this piece right here, this one and this one, and I need those. Okay, let's see if I can select it differently, maybe like this. Okay. Okay. Well, yeah. If I go Control Alt drag like this. Okay. Is it Control Alt Shift? There you go. Crazy, a lot of pieces. Okay. Do we have them all? Oh, you see how it cut it up? Yeah, I guess yeah, that's why I don't like splitting models in Unreal. It cuts them up in a very weird shape sometimes. Let's go to wireframe. Try to get all of this. Do I have it all now? You see all these little pieces? No, we need to do this differently. Crap. Oops. Yeah, this was not the greatest idea. Okay, I think I went back. Okay, let's go Control B, Control D. Change this up here, and then go. Let's see if it allows me to poly edit. Yes, okay. So I just need to go Attributes, Generate Polygroups. Nice, accept. Now I should be able to delete what I don't need, which is the easiest thing to do. Yeah, sometimes I go the hardest way first, so just cut that out. That's it, that's all I wanted. Cool. And then X form, edit pivot bottom, right there. That's good enough. Okay. All right. Okay, cool. So this wall is a little bit too thick. Let's go to model poly edit and push it a little bit. Something like that. Yeah, okay. It's okay. And here I want to push this around here. But before we do that, I would like to yo, what's up? Don't worry. Everybody gets busy. So I'm going to copy these walls and make a nice, very nice structure around here. Let's see. So I'm gonna get it like here and like put it around here. Something like this. I want to make it like a doesn't need to be a square. Maybe we can make it like a rectangle. Rectangle. Something like Oops, this face. No, we don't need those. We need to push those like this. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then I would like to move these two here. Okay, those. Here's the interesting thing, because I do want to get a specific shape. So let's try 4 and 6. Let's try 4 here, and let's go 6 on that side. Right there. Yep, it needs to go like this. Like something like that. Okay, let's see if I can get it on the other side. Right click, transform Y, and then get those, duplicate it and push them. This is a Imperium. This is a gladiator game that it's being developed by Ryu, one friend of mine, and he asked me to help him with the level design. So it's going to be wow, my throat. I thought I was getting a little better. Maybe I need to make another tea. So it's going to be a gladiator game in Rome, but not the Rome that we know about, but it's going to be Rome in the future. So it's like a very interesting idea that he has. And it's going to be like this combination of like old stuff with new stuff. A little bit like it well, it's not going to look like Warhammer, you know, but it's a little bit of that idea of like combining like new and old. All right, I like this shape. This resembles a little bit more of what I have in the reference. This pure ref sometimes gets on the way. Trying to close it, it's not allowing me. Okay, I got the other one. Nice. Okay, yeah, something like that. So now I'm going to close the windows a little bit. Okay, it's auto saving. So I wanna not close the windows, but close the walls a little bit, like this. And push this one there. That's pretty cool. Military maps. Okay, nice. That's pretty cool stuff. Star Wars. I remember Star Wars Battlefront, was it? That was some cool graphics. I was like very impressed. Okay, so let's get this one and duplicate it, and then change the instance right there, so we can now come here and poly edit and push this there. So if we push it here, we should be able to see the other one get pushed in like that, and we can do the same here because this is an instance of the other wall. It should be copied, so let's push this one around here and let's push this one there. Something like that. We should be able to push the other one as well. Bloop. Nice. Okay, cool. Now it resembles a little bit more one of those, a little bit of that style. Nice. Okay, we have these pillars right here. This we don't need. Okay, let's check this out. And this needs to have a flooring, so I guess this is going to be it. And I'm going to go Control B, Control D, just to change the instance, and that way I won't modify the original. And here should be able to push this one like this. We can even push it down a little. It will be more interesting. Make some stairs go down. We can have those stairs that have like corners or like meet in the corner. That'll be very nice. So here, I'm gonna push it like that. And we have this. Okay, that's nice. Okay, let's see how it looks. Yeah, definitely need to work that out. Uh, yeah, we are working for a demo on August of next year. Um, we should be able to have a demo, playable demo, to share with people and stuff. That's why trying to help Ryu, my friend, to push this for the demo version. Um, and yeah, there are more finished areas right now, but really trying to get these other areas going as well. Um, yeah, the map is going to be pretty interesting. I need something in here. Mm-hmm. We need to hold this structure. We need to hold it with something here, and we need more pillars. So we need this thing to have a little piece like this. Also, the enemies are very cool looking. Like there are these skeletons, very cool skeletons. Um, I'm just very new to the project. I was trying to start working on this like a couple of weeks before. I mean, a couple of weeks ago, but I was changing apartments and I got a new office job and things got delayed a little bit, but hopefully, well, thankfully now I got back on track. So this is a very nice pillar. Maybe is it too wide? Let's keep it like that for now. That's okay. We can just push it here. I appreciate it. it's it's very nice. I got sick starting this week. Um, this was my third week on the new job and on my new job, and it was a little tough. I missed 2 days, which kind of sucks because I'm just starting out. um, but you know, that's how things go sometimes. And I'm on my training right now, so I'm like, oh, not the greatest time to get sick. But hopefully by next Monday I should be totally recovered, as long as I take care. But it's rainy season here in Costa Rica, so it's a little bit hard to not get wet, especially getting into the office, going into the office and going back home. It's it's tough not to get wet. I need to get myself some boots or something, because it's gonna be raining a lot these days. Tomorrow we have this like warning from the government saying that there's going to be like very heavy rains tomorrow. So just to warn people not to go near rivers or like small bridges and stuff. Okay, that looks nicer. Okay, and now we need some pillars that hold that structure. We're gonna use. Let me see. We're gonna.
Nice wood tiles.
Hey, yeah, those were made by Ryu. Those are just a lot of meshes. Okay, I think those.
Parts of flooding. I bet the rain can be really relaxing.
Oh yeah, I like rain a lot. It's just that like getting wet and then going into an office with air conditioning. It's like, oh, it hits you when you're coming from a warm area. Make it like those changes of temperature can really get you sick a little bit. But I don't know where I caught this flu. maybe maybe in the office could be. But it's good. I haven't been sick in a very long time, so it's going to be nice for my immune system. Okay.
Our New York weather can be a freak show.
Hey Jay, how are you? Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, here in Costa Rica, weather is just very nice. Um, just the rainy season is a little bit. It can be very nice too. It's just that it's because of these hurricanes and stuff. We don't get anything like crazy, but we do get a lot of rain, like very heavy rain. The country is not designed to hold so much water, so some areas get flooded, and it's a very it gets bad in some areas, um, especially downtown in San Jose. Thankfully, I don't need to go there, but yeah, a lot of sewage water and stuff just goes crazy, gets out of where it's supposed to be. Those looks those pillars look pretty cool. Yeah, we're trying to do.
Just finished writing up a track statistics system for my game. Shots fired, KD, distance traveled, games played, etc. Feeling pretty off the rate.
Oh, that's very nice. That's pretty good.
I'm just chilling now.
That's nice. Yeah, I had a rough day at work. Things were not um, going smoothly. Um, I'm working on automobile visualization, and I was not uh, getting the integration right between the car and the environment, and I was just like not feeling not not feeling very good about it. I was a little bit frustrated, but just at the last hour I did some changes to the HDRI because we are generating our own HDRI based on a backplate image. And I got the HDRI. I made it from scratch, and I changed the scale and everything, and I changed some Photoshop settings to export it right. And finally, I got the reflections I needed on the car, and everything started looking more integrated, and I was pretty happy. But yeah, I don't know. It's I need to take it easy, because I'm just like, learning yet. Still just learning. But I do want to get it right and pretty quick, so it's like requires practice. Alright, yeah, I'm going a little bit too detailed on this. This is supposed to be more of a rough layout work, but I'm going like very detailed. Yeah, I appreciate it. This village, it's going to be pretty cool. Here we're going to have an arena right here, and there's supposed to be a lookout somewhere, somewhere around. Oh, this is merged, yeah. Somewhere around here, so people from up above can look at the fight. So the game consists of like different arenas you can like.
That's not yet. I'm just using Lumen for reflections as I have zero experience with HDRI. One day I'll get here.
Yeah, Lumen is pretty cool stuff. Actually, somebody was asking me how to do the Lumen mirror, because they were having problems with it. I do have a video on it, but it's just tough for performance to get like a good mirror inside Unreal Engine. It's not recommended to do that for games. Okay, we have a little problem here. We need to push this to the center. Not really sure if that's the center. These pillars are two cubes. Yeah, those came out from the same one. Those are just two cubes being intersected and stretched out. They do have a little bit of. They have a couple of edge loops. Right here on polyedit, insert edge loop, and then I scaled those faces a little bit and rotated one cube 45 degrees, so you get this intersection. You can do a Boolean union to get rid of the interior faces. That could be a solution for sure. For now, I'm just intersecting them just so I can have more flexibility. But uh, yeah, it's okay. Pretty cool stuff what you can do with the modeling tools. I really like modeling tools in Unreal. Just for simple stuff like this comes very handy. You can go like a little bit more complex, but I think for blocking out stuff, it works super awesome. I should probably make more videos on modeling tools. I had people ask me before like, hey dude, I haven't seen any, like, not many videos on modeling tools. Can you like show your workflow and stuff? I'm like, yeah. I should probably do more stuff like that. Well, I've never done a video on that specifically, but that would be cool. It will be nice to show the whole process, how to block out something in Unreal, then export it to Blender, get it nice, get it clean and modular and snappable. You can do that in Unreal as well. It's just, it takes a little bit more effort. You need to build everything on top of a grid, but you can definitely make that on Unreal. And then oh yeah, you can get some quick UVs for simple meshes, and then send them to Substance to get some textures and stuff. That'll be very cool. Or even better, just try to make materials inside Unreal Engine using tileable textures, so you can like yeah, there's so much you can do inside Unreal nowadays. It would be nice to show like, yeah, showcase a workflow that yeah, uses the most of Unreal Engine tools, to see how far can you push something inside the engine without going to any other program. Yeah, it will require some shader work for nice, yeah, probably for textures, which is going to be more like maybe stylized kind of textures, like. But I know there's a lot you can do, which is kind of nice because textures are very heavy, you know. They make your game.
Materials are made in Unreal as I don't have Substance Painter. I'll get it for a month or so and try with all my meshes at once.
Yeah, Substance is great. There's also 3D Code, but you can also do Blender. There's very cool stuff you can do in Blender with textures. There's a tutorial. I saw somebody using the how do you call these, geometry nodes in Blender to do something pretty similar to Substance Painter. maybe not pretty similar, but he was achieving some very cool results. Mhm. Here's where things are not matching up. Okay, let's see. Yeah, using a grid is very important. I should probably set that up because things get a little confusing.
Geometry nodes make me want to cry. What was the other one you said? 3D coder?
A 3D code. I think it's like this.
3D code.
I have the chat repeated because I have a vertical stream and a horizontal stream. Okay. So sometimes if I write in that chat, it gets sent to both streams. Let's see. All right. Okay, that's kind of cool. Okay. Okay, nice. Now let me get some honey because my throat is not good. Yeah, 3D code is pretty cool for stylized stuff. Let's check the reference.
Repeat your history 2024. Just look into it. Why I more recently pressed. May have to try alone.
Yeah, there's also a standalone um, Substance um, Painter before Adobe bought it. I think on Steam. I'm not sure if they still have it. And you just buy it once and that's it. Kind of cool. It gets the job done. They should be. They sh. It should still be available. Mm. Oh, those are way taller. Or these are too tall. Let me play with the character. Let's see how it feels like. Oh wow, 170 pounds. That's like five, 6, 7, 8. Kind of like 8 fish and chips. Yeah, England can be very expensive. I miss some good fish and chips. The eyes get bigger when he falls down. That's funny. No, I visited the UK a couple of times. I went to. I have a friend who lives there, and he had a wedding. He's English, and I went to the wedding, and we had some fish and chips. Also, my brother studied in England. Now he lives in Berlin or Berlin. I don't know how people pronounce it. And I did an internship in Berlin. Well, we say it Berlin here in Costa Rica. So yeah, I've been to England a couple of times. Pretty cool. Um, the last fish and chips I had was like 18 pounds or something, but it was like a big huge piece of fish. Yeah, Germany is pretty cool. Well, I only know I only know Berlin, but I would like to go visit the other areas. Let's see, can I make it? Wow. Yeah, London it is expensive for sure. Yeah. Yeah, it is pretty expensive. But I bet there are other areas outside outside the center. We were in a very centric area. Hmm. Okay, I need to get some detail here. Something like yeah, let's just try. Yeah, let's try this out. What happens if I just push this one out down here? I think it takes the whole epicness out of it because it's not going to be so high ceiling. Oh. Okay, let's see. Let's just go like this, and then let's try something like no. I do have one. I have two of them. Two Wacom tablets. Unfortunately, I lost one pen because my dog ate it. Damn it. So I need to get myself another pen. I have the Intuos 4 and 5. Pretty good tablets. Now I'm just using mouse. Usually just use mouse. If I do need to do some concept art, oh, not even concept art, some doodling or stuff to explain some ideas, I do it with the tablet. Even sculpting, I do it with the mouse. I just got very Very used to it. Okay, here we can do something interesting, like pushing this out like this. Uh-huh.
Yeah, everyone else in the world's crazy. I got a back on it once, but I'm pretty bad with TV.
Yeah, it's a matter of practice. Um, in Unreal Engine, you can change the camera speed with the mouse wheel, so that way it's not so fast. It's
Never seen pirate software wrong again the mess. The guy is so different.
yeah. uh, yeah, he's pretty cool. um, the first time I saw him, I was like, why is his voice so deep? And then I realized he uses a voice modifier, but it just modifies it a little bit. It's not like it completely changes it, but it gives him like a authority. You know, it gives him like, it makes him sound more legit. It really doesn't matter. The guy is pretty smart, anyways. Okay, so we have this thing. I need to keep looking at my reference, cause if not, okay, it goes out and then goes up. So to do that, I need to go to Xform, model, poly edit, insert edge loop, and then I need to let's say I want to push this up. Okay. No, that's not how I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it with a extrude like this. Extrude face just a little bit. And then I'm going to get this edge and push it in. There you go. But it's just a little bit. I see, it goes like that. Okay, yeah, this shape is getting a little bit not exactly what I needed, but I can push it like this. And the angle is not so far, should not come that much out, needs to be just a little bit like this. But be careful, get the other corner. We need to get the other corner as well. Okay, and it's not so tall, it needs to be something like this. That's too much, too much detail um, for this step. Uh, and what I want to try is, what if I push this here? Might as well just, yeah, let's just commit to this. It's not gonna be such a change, such a big change on scale, but it's gonna give me a little bit more of that structure, the proportion of the classical building that then we are going to modify a little bit. So let's push it here. And okay, the interesting part of this is that this needs to go in a little bit. I think something like that. And then I need it feels more like something like this. You can press shift to go slow like this whenever you're moving stuff. Okay, Control B to browse, D to duplicate, and then change the instance by dropping it on the static mesh. That way we don't modify the original piece that we duplicated from the viewport. And push it like that. Poof. Okay, now we have this. Okay, now let's, oops, anyways, I'm just gonna get those four. Push them down, not this one. Take advantage of that little piece of wood to give me more detail right there. Okay.
I discovered the ship transform last week and using it all the time since. I always used math to line things accurately before.
You said alt? Oh, math? Yeah, math is the best, yeah. Just snapping things to the grid and stuff, that's probably the best. For this, for more more things like, how do you say it, for experimentation and stuff like that. Oh, we got something wrong here. Oops. Okay. Nice.
Holding shift to move things accurately is my new standard. Was a game changer.
Yeah, that's a nice shortcut. Oh, okay. I see how it goes. It's something along those lines, and this goes down. This goes down like this. And like this. And it's not supposed to be out so much. Huh. Yeah, this is supposed to be in a little bit like that. Oops, got messed up in the details. That's why, yeah, that's why it's not a good idea to get into the details so fast. Yeah, got tangled into the details. Yay. Okay, maybe like this. Yeah, I kind of like it like it was before. Oops. Yeah, no problem. Let's just copy this height location on Z axis and let's just push the rooftop up. Well, that's part of what we're doing now, trying different options. Let's just paste it there. We should be able to get it back up. But I do like the other detail that I got there. So the idea is just to push this one up. No, it needs to be somewhere around here. Okay. Let me check something. I guess something like that. Okay. Oops, messed it up. this one can go here. It could be one piece, just yeah, doesn't matter. Um,
When you've got time, I sent a 5-second clip of my up area WIP for my game in Discord. 3D feedback. Would appreciate if you could share your thoughts and what you can do. You're better at this than me.
yeah, that's very cool. I'll take a look for sure. Pretty cool.
I don't mind if you do it on stream for content and tips for others.
Yeah, I yeah. Since this is a um, reuse project, I kind of wanna keep the stream related to the topic, but I can definitely check it out when I finish the stream and give you the feedback on Discord. It's good that you shared it on Discord because there's also other people who usually give feedback as well, so that's very nice. Let's see. Yeah, I like this height much better. I just need to get need to get those up. Let's see. It's kind of nice. Yep, actually this piece right here doesn't make much sense. Yeah, it's gonna just make things a little harder to work with. Can just push this one up. Yep. Yeah, I was just trying the height, but I like this. Let's just stick to this one. Oh yeah, I moved these too. Oh, I think I made the whole building a little bit shorter. Oh, I see what happened. Yeah,
That song was fire.
yeah, it's from a YouTube channel I discovered. Might be AI music, most likely. Probably need to play another playlist soon. Let's see. Where is it? Mesh model poly edit. Okay. Huh. Oh, okay, before I do this, probably need to just push it here. I messed up this building. Oops. This should go out a little. Yeah, well, I'm getting tangled again in details, which it's not important right now at this stage.
Personal projects. Only ever see you do work for others.
Yeah, yeah, I do have American Diner, 50s American Diner project that I want to finish and put on the Fab Store. Damn. Yeah, that's a project that I would like to get my hands on. It's been a long time since I don't open that project. It's an environment that I created from scratch, just modeling everything. Pretty cool stuff. And I also want to turn it into low poly, so I will be able to sell the realistic version and the low poly version, and then I also want to sell the abandoned realistic version of it. So it's I can do a lot with that project, just giving people the most amount of possibilities. Also, it will be a good exercise for an environment artist to turn the same thing into multiple, show that I can do different styles. What is going on here? I see. Yeah, I changed the whole thing a little bit. What? There. Yeah, we. Yeah. Okay. Oops. Yeah, I messed it up somehow. Getting a little confused what's wrong and what's good in here. Okay. What is this? Okay, this got a little bit confusing. Uh, hmm. Hmm. Okay. All right, I'll try to yeah, just try to clean this up a little bit, cause
Juicy West Diner aesthetic. Sounds like a fun thing to recreate to me. I created a modular breakable glass system I'm thinking of putting on that.
that'll be very cool. To yeah, um, that'll be very cool. Try to if you have something um, something you can sell, put it on Fab for sure. I always wanted to have my assets, my own assets and stuff. Okay. So yeah, that American Diner, I wanna work it. It's like it's hard to say, but it's pretty advanced. The project it's around 75% on something like that. But after that, I need to optimize it, and I need to, you know, make it nicer, and that might take um, I mean, that's probably going to be the most amount of work. Just making sure everything works nice, have it available for
Haven't put anything on there before. I really haven't looked into that process yet.
yeah, you should probably check it out. It's just pretty easy to get an account, and
If you post any kind of progress in Discord, tag me. Would love to see it.
it's already I have a bunch of videos on my YouTube, and also it's on my art station. I did posted a little work in progress on my art station. It's it's looking pretty good. It's just that it's not game ready yet. Um, and it's a little bit ambitious because I'm trying to do the interior, the exterior. It has a main entrance, a bathroom. It has the main area. It has a kitchen and an office. It has an administration office. So it's a bunch. Haven't worked on the exterior yet, but I want one of those nice signs and everything, like retro signs and stuff. It's a pretty cool project, and I haven't seen anything like that on any marketplace. Just the whole thing inside out. Um, so yeah, I'm pretty excited about that one. I I was working on that. Then I got an art test for an studio I applied to, and because of that art test, I got a client, which I'm still working for. It's just that we are taking it more easy now, going a little bit, taking it a little bit more easy with the project. And then I got another another client, and then I'm helping Ryu with this one. It's been very nice because I get to learn a lot in these projects, and this is probably one of the coolest projects that uh, have been able to work on YouTube, because this has a release date for the demo version. So it's something like, it's probably the most how to say it. Um, it's probably one of the most organized projects that I've been able to work, because it already um it
That's really cool, man. Just like your monetization, your projects are insanely good.
I appreciate it. I don't have everything up there. I still have an Instagram where I post other stuff. I haven't posted in Instagram in a long time, but yeah, I do want to update it a little bit more, because I do have some stuff that I haven't posted yet. Um, let's see.
The umbrella stand would my house 100%.
Yeah, that umbrella stand was pretty hard to model. I remember that one. It's everything's on video. I do have a American Diner a series on YouTube. You can see me struggling a lot with those models. The cool thing is that everything's made from scratch. That's the only environment that I have made from scratch. All of the other ones are using assets, modifying stuff, reusing and modifying. But that one, I really set up my the challenge was to create everything from scratch, meaning that, well, modeling, texturing. Okay, nice, we got it a little bit better. I'm just gonna save it here, not gonna like push it too much because I don't wanna get tangled in the details, because you can spend all day just moving one thing to the left, to the right. Okay, I'm gonna just push it here. Okay. And here I want to transform on, is it X? Uh-huh. Something like that. Then let's see. Okay. Okay. Just gonna get those. Change it here and extrude it. Well, not extrude, but just push it here. Something like that. Okay. I appreciate it. Yeah, there's a Cinti Polygon. They have a very cool low poly style. Um, I also want to do some low poly stylized stuff. It's pretty cool. Uh, yeah, making realistic stuff. It's tough. Uh, and that diner might look realistic, but it is still stylized in some way or another. It's not like photorealistic, which is very something very hard to achieve. Um, Good thing we have photo scans now, which helps a lot. All right. I want to try something out. What happens if I merge those two? I want to try to see if I can bevel this. But let me see the reference. The reference. What happens if I damn it, I hope I'm not getting it. Seeker. Damn. Yeah, those corners are a little bit difficult to achieve. Yeah. Not gonna think about those details yet. But we got something going on. That's cool. What I want to see is okay. Maybe some windows, very small windows, because this is for storage. So maybe we can go modeling, and we can go into just get little box right there. Little box like this. Push it down, something like that. Then go like this, so it goes through. Yeah, this line is a little bit thick, so it's hard to see exactly where one square ends and the other starts. Something I need to tell Ryu. We need to get that line super thin. That way it's gonna be easier. Okay, it's right in the center, so the center might be this one. Or this one. I think the other one looks nicer, so let's just push it 100 units like that. And let's go and get the other one. That's something I need to ask as well. Sometimes when I go Control D, it changes position, and sometimes when I go Control C, Control V, it does not change. It happens sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't happen. Still not quite sure how that works. You see, it changed the position, but I don't want that. Just wanna. Oh yeah, this I don't need this one because it's gonna. It's an instance, so it's gonna do it for every other instance. Let's just cut it out like this. So we have a little window, nice, like this. And then, so to do a boolean, just select one piece, select the other one, and go modeling mode, model boolean, and choose the difference, A minus B, first selection minus second selection, and that's it. Do we have windows on this one? Oh, we don't. Ah, it's because it's a different. Oops, it's a different instance. I forgot I modified it. Before you do that, it's nice to just save a copy of the mesh that you are using to cut with, so you can reuse it later for other stuff. So let's see, here we have this pivot point, and here we have the pivot point on the other area. The right thing to do is just to copy this one, push it, push it right here. That way we can just get rid of this one, push this one out like this. Okay, is it stuck? What's going on? Oops. Why? Okay, oh, it's snapping. Yeah. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, cool. So now we should be able to just cut the other way around. Like this, and we should be able to get windows on this mesh. Why is it not getting that? Huh, are you? Okay, what? Did I deleted the wrong one? Oh, I guess I did, okay. No problem. It's just a matter of pushing this one. Right here. Okay. Up. What? Damn it. What's going on? Yeah, I'm getting confused. It's not supposed to do that. Okay, there you go. Yeah, there's... I need to ask Ryu. Maybe they changed something with the Control D, Control C, Control V. There's something, yeah, going on. Or maybe the pivot point but okay, we got some windows. Let's do the other side. So let's go 45. Okay, here we need to place it. So we got 3, 3. I'm not a big fan of this one. So 3, 1, 3, 1, 3 space. Okay, so I think that works. Let's go. So we have 3 and pillar. Not totally. Probably not in the right spot, but maybe we can push this out. So it's 3, 4, 3 pillar. Yeah, I think that's better. 3, 4, 3. What? Oh, the door is not in the center. Huh. Oops. Yeah, that's why grids are important. Oh yeah, that's not good. Oops. So 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3. No, this is not usually how buildings are made. But this grid is also confusing because it's not right in the center. Yeah. So yeah, yes. I'm just going to count from the center. So I'm gonna give it. Yeah. No, it's not a good measurement. This needs to be 3. Okay, I'm gonna go. I need to visualize this on lighting mode. Yeah, something like this. Just eyeball it. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with it. Yeah, that doesn't matter. I'm just worrying about little details. Oh, I understand. Yeah, this is a boolean. Okay. It won't modify the original. That's why the other one is not changing. Yeah, I totally forgot booleans create their own mesh, which is pretty good. Okay, so we have this. Let's look it up and let's replace it here. Doof. Okay, maybe not like this. Just okay. Okay, we have little windows. Okay, it's looking pretty nice. Okay. Up here it's gonna be like a rich people villa, and they might have a little bridge that will go this way to see the arena from up top. That'll be nice. Now I'm realizing if it rains, what happens to the things that we have inside. It's not good. It's not good. Oops. There could be another set of tiles somewhere. No. Okay. Could work. No, it's too much. it this really changes the whole style. Um, no, not a big fan of this. Mm, no, no, no. It no doesn't no no. Yeah, this is nicer. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm running out of voice. My throat is not doing so well. Okay. Um. Let me see if I can just. I think I changed the. Oh, it's just because I scaled it. Yeah. Um. It's okay. Okay, I need two beams like this. That come out. Something like that. Um, okay. Let's generate polygroups. Find quads. Poly edit. Get those. Something like that. Push it here. Okay. Like that. Okay. Okay. We have 3, 4, 5. So center. And in the middle. Then we have a bunch of planks, thin ones on top. Okay, so yeah, I think that's looking nice. Something like that. What I don't like is the thickness of this. Too much. This needs to go down and up. Yep. More like that. Even more. Yep, that's a little better. Let's copy, paste. what happens if I go 45? Pretty cool. Ooh, okay. Well, kinda, yeah. I kinda wanna keep on going, but I think it's time to take a little rest. Nope. I want the rain. Is it 9? Oh yeah. Okay, well, pretty nice. Alright, I will cut it here, continue, hopefully tomorrow. Maybe, yeah, it's a little late today. Um, but yeah, made a little building. Kind of wanna make more buildings, but yeah, I should be focusing on the layout. um, I was thinking maybe pushing the arena to the right, closing this entrance, or maybe closing this entrance and having this be the entrance. It makes sense that there's an entrance here for the market. Um, all right, that's great. Alright, thank you everybody for watching, and I will see you on the next one.